We're out here with a new to me, I won't say brand new, but it's new to me, Glock 19 Gen 3. All right, I'll talk about before we come out to the range and stuff. And like I said, first shot's going through it. I bought it used. I don't even think the guy ever even shot it once. It was one magazine, and that's all it came with. No case, no nothing, and it was under $300. I couldn't have passed it up. Okay, let's go down here. These are the first shots out of it. Hope it goes bang. We'll see what happens. Okay, we got that target out of 10 yards. Let's see what goes on. Here we go. We'll see. Let's go down there. Let's go down there. Well, I got 3 here and 2 here. Let's load that puppy back up. I'll use the same target. Just remember where they're at. Okay. All right. Put 5 more in there. Make sure it's okay. I'll make up an excuse. It's very cold out today. Very cold. Okay. So that's my excuse for today. All right, we're going to try it again. Here's the second 5 going out of the same gun. Let's go down there and check it out again. Oh well, I don't know what to tell you. I don't think it's bad. They're all on the 8 ring and under, so it ain't horrible, and it's been going pretty fast. All right, that's from 10 yards. Let me put a fresh target up there, and we'll see what goes on. I mean, I'll tell you too, I'm gonna try a new target up there. Everything in here is bone stock dry except for the sights. Okay, let's try it again. 10 yards. All right, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. It's got to be better. Has to be better. Oh yeah, a couple in the 10 that time. A couple. Let's finish off this target. I'll put 5 more rounds in it. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna use that same target still at 10 yards, and let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. All right. It's looking good, looking good. Let's go down there and check it out. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I think I got it now. I think I got it. All right, all right.